In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo Instant Transfer it's not working. So in order to fix the transfer on your actual Venmo, what you can do is you can first head over and check if Venmo has some server issues, because if that's a problem, then you just need to wait it out. Now, if it's because your information is mismatched, you need to actually match them both on your bank account as well as your Venmo in order to match this information and initiate the transfer again. Now, if your actual problem is because you have an unsupported bank account or debit card, you need to head over and make sure that to do instant transfers with US bank account only or Visa or MasterCard debit card that participates with Venmo Instant Transfer. If it doesn't participate, you won't be able to actually send it. Now, if you have no bank account or debit card available, it may also be the actual problem. So what you can do is you can add bank or debit and you should be good to go. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.